Hello everyone, today's video about factorization. So here in a first example we are given the two terms 2t plus 6n. From these two terms is there any common factor? See, if you forget that what does mean the factor, then I just give you quick idea. Factors means the number which can divide both numbers, common number which both can divide by. If you are just in simple language you says the in which common times table both number comes, okay, that times table number is a common factor for that both number. And but when you are doing factorization you choose the highest common factor, because sometime what happen, two number has a more than one common factor, so you should choose always the biggest common factor. So that gives you complete factorization answer. So let's see. Variable, let's first check the variable. T and N is a different variable, so we cannot says they have any common factor. But yes, 2 and 6 both can divide by 2, right? Or we can say so both comes in times table 2. So 2 is a common factor for the 2 and 6. So 2 we just take out as a common factor, and whatever the leftover from this both terms we write in a bracket. So here this first term 2t divide by 2, that gives us remain only t. So in bracket t remain. Plus sign, this plus sign as it is we write here again divide by 2, not a 6, sorry, my mistake. Divide by the 2. So 6 divide by 2 what? 3, and n remain as it is. So whatever you take out here common factor, divide both terms 1 by 1, and whatever left over write inside the bracket. So answer is a 2 in a bracket t plus 3n. If you expand this thing, this bracket and 2, if you expand you will get back this answer 2t plus 6n. If you want to cross check, you are not confident my answer is correct or not, you can expand this bracket and you will get back your answer. So expanding bracket and factorization is a vice versa. Let's move for the second example. 5x square plus 3x. So here let's see, first check the number 5 and 3. Both are prime numbers, so we cannot find any common factor. Okay, if the prime numbers has no common factor. Okay, let's see x square and x. So both have at least one common x, so we take out the one x from the bracket and here divide by x from the both term. So 5 remain as it is, and x square divide by x, it means what? X square divide by x means x square means x times x divide by x. So 1x cancel down, so 1x remain, right? So 5x remain and 1x goes outside, and here x cancel down, so 3 only remain. So answer is a x in a bracket 5x plus 3. This is our final answer. Let's move for the third example. Third example has a 8 and 2 number. Let's be first coefficient check. Both can divide by 2, right? Both have a common factor is a 2. Also variable p, second term has a no any p variable, so not possible. But yes, first and second term both has a x also common factor. So 2x is a common factor. So 2x come outside the bracket, and what remain inside the bracket? 8 divided by 2 remain the 4, and x cancel down, so p remain. Plus sign as it is. Okay, x cancel down and 2 divided by 2 also cancel down, so only m remain here. So this is our answer. Let's move on for the fourth example. Here we have a 3 terms. So we have to check every 3 terms. If it is common factor, then we take out as a common factor. So let's first check the number 6, 9 and 3. So 6, 9 and 3 has a common factor is a 3, right? So we can take the 3 outside of the bracket as a common factor. Okay, and divide by 3 all 3 terms. Okay, let's check the variable. First term has a x, second term has a no, and third term has a also x. So of course if any two terms has any variable or any common factor, but still we cannot take as a common factor outside of the bracket because we need all three terms common factor. So x is not possible as a common factor. Y, let's check the y. Yes, all three terms has a y, so y is a common factor. Okay. The second term has an n, but no any other terms has an n, so n also not common factor. So first term, let's check what remain inside the bracket. So 6 divided by 3 is a 2 remain, x cancel down, sorry, y cancel down, so x remain. Now this plus sign as it is, 9 divided by 3 gives us 3 and y cancel down, so n remain, and here this is the minus sign, so we write as a minus sign, 3 cancel down, y cancel down, so x remain. So this is our answer. I hope you like this video. Please like and share and subscribe the channel.